Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get always on display on any HyperOS phone. Now first of all, make sure that your device supports the always on display feature. Now to check if your device supports the always on display feature or not, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search always on display. Now as you can see, there is no option for always on display, which means that our HyperOS device does not support the always on display feature. Now, if your device does not support the always on display feature, and if you want to enable always on display on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store. Now from here, just search always on display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Movies Edge. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Draw over the apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Movies Edge. Now from here, just enable this option. Now go back and tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Always on Display. Now from here, just tap on Required Permissions. Now from here, tap on Other Permissions and tap on Home Screen Shortcuts. Now from here, just tap on Allow. Now go back and tap on Show on Lock Screen. Now from here, just tap on Allow. Now go back and tap on Open New Windows. Now from here, tap on Always Allow. Now from here, go back and make sure you select AOD. Now from here, just choose the always on display style you like. We will select this one. Now from here, if you tap on Edit, you can customize the look of your always on display. Now as you can see, with the clock style, we have style 1 and style 2. Now from here, in the clock size, you can increase or decrease the size of the clock, just like that. Now from here, you can change the color of your always on display. Now once you have customized your always on display as you like, just tap on Save. Now from here, once you have done that, and if you open the lock screen, you can see that we have successfully enabled the always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can get always on display on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.